Most beginners think affiliate marketing is complicated, but the truth is it only becomes hard when you don't know the right steps. In this video, I'll show you the exact beginner-friendly path you can follow to make your first 50K, 100K online. No ads, no previous experience, just a simple system. Let's jump in. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote a product you didn't create, someone buys it, and you earn a commission. But here's what most people get wrong. They treat it like random hustling, not like a structured system. If you follow the right steps, it becomes predictable. If you skip the steps, you'll struggle for months. Before I show you the actionable part, let me quickly point out the mistakes that stop beginners from making money. Mistake 1, promoting too many products. This scatters your content and kills trust. Mistake 2, posting content without a strategy. Not all content converts. People need clarity, not noise. Mistake 3, no funnel, no follow-up. If you're sending people directly to the sales page, you're losing 70% of potential buyers. Once you fix these mistakes, the whole system starts working. This is the system I teach inside my program. Let's break it down. If you're getting value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share to help this channel grow. Step 1, choose a high demand product. Look for products that solve a real problem and have regular buyers. In Nigeria, the best-selling digital products are usually make money programs, skills programs, AI tools, content creation trainings. Pick one proven offer and focus on it. Step 2, create simple content. You don't need a studio. Short videos work best. TikTok, Reels, Short. Make 3 types of videos. 1, educational, explain solutions. 2, story-based, share your journey. 3, conversion videos, clear calls to action. If you stay consistent for 30 days, things change fast. Step 3, build a basic funnel. You need a place to send people before the sales page. This is where beginners win or fail. Your funnel should look like this. Content to landing page to WhatsApp or email, then offer. Why? Because people rarely buy the first time they see you. You need to follow up. Step 4, follow up with value. Most beginners get clicks but no sales because they don't follow up. Before that, your follow-up messages should include short tips, case studies, your story, personal guidance, and soft reminders. This alone can double your conversions. Let's talk expectations. This is not a get-rich-quick method. If you're consistent, you can see this. First leads within 3 to 7 days, first sales within 1 to 4 weeks. Consistent income after 60 to 90 days. The system works, but only if you work it. If you want a shortcut, a clear, beginner-friendly system without confusion, I created a complete step-by-step program called Affiliate Marketing Income Secret. Inside, I break down everything: picking your niche, creating content, building your funnel, getting your first sale, scaling up, plus bonuses on how to use AI to create content faster. It removes guesswork. If you want me to send you the link and the discounted access, drop a comment saying start or send me a message directly. I'll send you everything you need to get started today. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share to help this channel grow.